Most people think $100 is too small to matter, too little to change anything, too insignificant to take seriously. But that thinking is exactly why many people stay stuck. In 2026, $100 won't make you rich, but it can decide the direction of your financial life. In this video, we'll talk honestly about what $100 can actually do for you, and what it absolutely cannot. Let's be clear from the start. $100 cannot fix your life. It won't replace your income. It won't remove your responsibilities. And it won't work miracles. Anyone promising fast wealth from small money is selling hope, not results. $100 is not a shortcut. It's a tool. And tools only work in the right hands. $100 as clarity money. The real power of $100 is clarity. It forces you to decide. When money is small, every decision matters. Every mistake is visible. You learn what you value. You learn how you think. You learn whether you're patient or impulsive. $100 as a skill investment. In 2026, the smartest use of $100 is not business. It's skills. Skills that increase your earning power. Skills that compound over time. $100 can buy learning resources, software access, internet consistency. One focused skill, practice daily, it can outgrow. $100 faster than any small business idea. $100 as a test. Smart people don't use small money to build big dreams. They use it to test reality, test demand, test discipline, test consistency. Can you commit? Can you follow through? Can you finish what you start? $100 is enough to find answers. And answers are worth more than profit. $100 as discipline training. If you can't manage $100, more money won't save you. Discipline is not about the amount. It's about behavior, planning, tracking, delaying pleasure. $100 teaches restraint, and restraint is the foundation of wealth. The real shift. Poor thinking asks, what can this money buy me? Wealth thinking asks, what can this money turn me into? $100 won't change your life overnight, but it can change your direction. And direction is everything. In 2026, money won't reward noise. It will reward clarity, skills, discipline. $100 is not the problem. How you think about it is. If this helped you see money differently, subscribe to Wealth Project. This channel is about slow wealth built the right way.